Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to join Telegram group. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Telegram app. Now there, in order to join a group, first you have to find that group if that group is public. You can use search, just swipe down at chats to bring up search box. Now you can tap on that, and then you can just enter group's name. In that way, just start typing group name, and right here it shows you the results. Just enter a group, and now right here, even if you hasn't joined yet, you can see that group messages. If you want to join the group, just hit right here where it says join group. And that's it. I have just joined that group. I can tap at that group name to see me among group members. Also, you can join the group via invitation link. So if the admin or member of the group copied invitation link, anyone can do it right from here. There it says share link. You can tap on that link, then hit on copy link to copy it to the clipboard, and then anyone can share this link all over the internet. So if you hit at that link, it opens that group and you can join it in simple way. Let me show you how it works. I'm just gonna open up WhatsApp, go into chats. I'll just send this link to a conversation with myself, and now if I tap on that, I moved to that exact group, and now I can join it if I haven't done that before. Also, you can join the group via direct invitation. So, for example, if your friend is already in that group and they have a permission to invite new members, they can tap right here at group name and then tap on add members. So now your friend can invite you. The easiest way to do so is to hit right here at the search box and then just start typing your name. It shows the contacts, and from here you can check mark any person in that simple way and hit on done to invite that guy to that group. Not actually to invite, but to add, so I can now see that guy is already in that group. So you can ask your friend to add you to the group, especially if the group is private. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Telegram tutorials playlist where you will find a lot of useful videos. Just check the links in description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and I see you in the next one.